I'm gonna do a chit chat. Get ready with me. Get ready with me to do what first of all? I'm not going anywhere because of this corona. We stayed in the house, so get ready with me to stay in the house. Hey guys, it's been a while since you see my face. I know Bro has been busy and all that stuff, so I haven't been on, but I'm back because of this corona. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment what the hell are you doing for this quarantine and chill, for this self-quarantine. What are y'all doing? Give me some ideas to do because I'm bored. But hey, because of this corona, I can put more content out and y'all can see me more often. So let's get started. I start off by doing my eyebrows. This corona has messed up all my plans, all my spring break plans. I'm not even supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be in Puerto Rico, zenkoing and living life out there for Afro Nation, but I'm here. It's fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
I took that initiative upon myself to stay home because this is serious. In all seriousness, like, this virus is serious. I think what's scary is like half of the world is like, oh, it's not that big of a, well, I don't want to say half of the world, but a lot of people are either on one side or the other where it's like, it's not that big of a deal, don't worry about it, it's not that big of a deal. And other people are panicking, panic buying. We're gonna get into that later. Panic buying, freaking the fuck out. As I mean, you should, it's a scary thing. And a lot of people are, I'm in the middle of taking the proper precautions. I'm listening to WHO. I'm listening to CDC. I am on social media by force because what else am I supposed to do with my time? And doing what I can to stay healthy and keep my loved ones healthy as well. So I did not travel. Although it would have been fun to travel, living my best life, my spring break life, but we gotta do what we gotta do to survive. I'm really going crazy in this house. Might I just say though, it's just like, what do I do? So I'm gonna tap into my creativity and just post more content and really challenge myself to create more content on YouTube. To my 25 subscribers, what would y'all want to see me do? Let me know. But it's like, damn, if I can't go outside, where the hell can I go? It was supposed to be a girls trip. It was about to be a fun ass girls trip, but it's okay because we gonna do a girls trip 2.0. Like, those plans are not dead. You guys will see. The let out, the let out about to be crazy for this once this virus dies down, you know. But in all seriousness, like, if you are affected, if anybody you know is affected, I am praying for y'all. Y'all are in my prayers. Our God can get us through this, and prayer is powerful. So just continue to pray and let God take control. There's a lot of reasons why the US just can't get it together, but a big reason why society can't get it together in general is because a lot of these institutions and social needs and social determinants of health are all fucked up, messed up. Ain't no health, nobody has the right amount of access to healthcare and to the resources that they need to go get tested. Doctors don't have enough equipment to be testing and enough tests to be distributed, so they have to pick and choose. So if you have symptoms, you don't have as mild of symptoms or as severe symptoms, they're gonna turn you home. That's just reality, and that's not on them. It's on the stupid ass government. It's crazy how it took us this virus to realize that if you're not learning about it in school, then here y'all go. This is in our textbooks. All global health majors, public health majors, medical anthropology majors, y'all know this ain't new. This is also what happens when we live in an individualistic society and culture where it's always I. That's the main reason why people are still traveling to this day. To this day, people are still thinking it's not a big deal to travel. Like, no, stay your ass home. Like, just because you have a healthy immune system doesn't mean everybody around you does. So why put them at risk just because you are okay? It don't make sense. I'm not saying that to make people feel bad about traveling. Like, bitch, I wanted to travel too. But those are the steps you need to take when it's a pandemic. Besides that, everybody on social media got a TikTok. Everybody doing TikTok. Everybody finding some way to, you know, keep themselves busy in this quarantine. I need some new ideas because I'm going crazy. I feel like my house is a prison. So I've been stuck here. Like, I be at home anyways, but like when I'm forced to do it, it's a whole nother thing. I don't like that. I don't like that. This virus better be gone by like May. And it's crazy because we're really not in control. All this future planning that we're doing, and I want this, I'm gonna do this in 2 months, I got this to do in a month. Like, it could all be taken away from you, and this is a perfect example of that. We really are not in control. Wow, it's been a minute since I've done my makeup too. Like, do I even know what I'm doing? But I thought, why not? Why not put my makeup on to stay right in the house? Why not? What am I doing? You know, this is another way of wasting time. Like, let's practice our makeup skills. So when we do go out, we're gonna be the bad bitches that we are. And that's on period. To do my eyebrows, I just use Anastasia Dip Brow and Elegant Pro Concealer to clean them up. This is the e.l.f. Putty Primer. So, it's hard doing this with one hand. Shout out to all the health professionals that are working right now and can't stay home. That's another reason why, like, y'all gotta take those that can't afford to stay at home and like can have the luxury of staying home and working from home and keeping to themselves. Like, be grateful for that, because these health professionals can't, and it's hard. And they're putting themselves at risk because they got families too. They got loved ones too. They have children too. So it's just like, it's a whole bigger picture than just I. But don't nobody want to understand that. It is what it is, huh? Going in with NARS. Natural, what? You know what this is. Y'all know what this is. This, I'm in the shade Macau, or however you say that. I miss putting on makeup. Ooh, bad bitch is loading. Hold on. I feel like everybody should do this. Like, take the time, get cute, even if you're just staying in your house, because it just boosts up your mood. Like, you could just feel better. I'm already feeling better. We're not even done. We are not even in our final form yet. Y'all have nothing better to do. If you've read all the books, if you've been browsing on social media, you've been on the Netflix and Hulu, Netflix party, all that, like, do something else. Speaking of Netflix, I just finished Love is Blind. I'm so late on that show, but I just finished it, and that's a crazy show. You will not catch me on that show. Like they kept saying, only if you've experienced it, you're the only one who's gonna understand it, and kudos to them. But who was y'all's favorite character? I love Lauren and Cameron. So cute. Jessica annoyed the crap out of me. Messica. Homegirl just couldn't take the rejection from Barnett, whatever his name is. Could not take the rejection, and she tried to stay in the game with Marky Mark. And that did not go well. And she knew it. She just wanted to see if she could change her own mind, which you're mental if you want to do that. But I'm actually getting tired of Netflix. Like, everyday Netflix? Can't be everyday Netflix. I'm tired. You know what's also crazy about this quarantine? Niggas. Niggas will hit you up. Quarantine, Corona can't even stop them. They will still hit you up talking about, you know, with this virus and everything, you've been on my mind. I hope you're safe. Da, 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 da. You haven't hit me up in 2 months, but now it's Corona. I've been on your mind. I'm fine. Don't let them try it, because they will try it. They will try it. I'm just taking the Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette and contouring. This is how you know, don't follow me. Do as I say, not as I do. Because I'm using my finger and it's what I do. And this is just my everyday makeup. I really am not going to go crazy because like I said, I'm gonna be in the house, so. But it's an excuse to get cute. I haven't gotten cute in a while, so I need to kind of remind myself of what the hell I look like. It's a reminder like, hey, don't sleep on yourself because you're cute. You're cute. Don't sleep on yourself. Don't do it. My contour kind of came and left. Like, you don't even know that it's there. That's an excuse to put on more. Just because we are social distancing doesn't mean you cannot communicate with them. Thank God for the internet and social media and phones and technology so we can communicate. Check up on your friends. Make sure they're doing okay. Have virtual wine nights, have virtual happy hours, do it all. Let them know you're thinking of them because it's scary. Times are scary. You never know what they're going through. So just check up on them. Because I know this spring break really upset me and my homegirls because we were supposed to be living our hot girl spring in Puerto Rico, but it's okay. We got summer. If we can combat this coronavirus, we got summer. We got summer. It ain't gonna stop us. Okay, period. I need eyebrow gel. But I gotta order online because Sephora's closed. Ulta's closed. Things are closing. Stores are closing. And I'm just like, okay, can y'all reopen? Because I know Hallmark is closing indefinitely. So it's like some companies cannot come back from this, and that's really sad. And it's just like, dang. He's gonna be in our history books. They're gonna be like, Mom, were you alive during Corona? We said. They're gonna be like, yes. People were buying toilet paper, tissue paper, water, hand sanitizer, reselling them. It was crazy, son. What you know about hard times? Maybe I should have used concealer to do that, but it's okay. We going home. We staying at home. Ain't nobody really gonna see me. Also, if y'all know like any tips on how to stop your smile lines from creasing, let a girl know because like, yeah, I'm happy and I laugh at everything, but I would love it and appreciate it if it didn't crease. I'm gonna go in with some light eyeshadow because why not? You feel me? Why not? This palette, life. Like, Jackie, come out with another palette and I promise you, I'm gonna get it. I'm going in with ginger. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna put that all over my lid and call it a day. If you are using social media to your advantage in this Corona, do it. Because y'all don't understand that there is a lot of potential on social media, and if you really just tap into your creativity, I promise you, if that's what you really want to do and you are, doing it positively and you're not trying to be problematic or try to bring anybody down while doing it, as long as you're just positive and you have a message to do it, I really feel like you can spread that to a large audience and grow from it. We've really learned how to make money online, and I feel like everybody should use that opportunity to do the same. That's what I'm doing. Maybe I just don't organize myself because I haven't put on makeup in a while. I'm freaking out. Hold up. Powder contour. I'd be forgetting what I normally do. Like, my routine is just so off. I haven't done makeup in a long time, but I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with the Super Stay Full Coverage. This is really dark. This is in the color shade Truffle, but I think this is a little too dark for me, so I just lightly set the rest of my face. Once this coral is gone, best believe we going out. We showing out and we won't give a fuck. You don't realize like how much you need to be outside and be social until you literally can't.
Are you done?
No.
What are you doing?
I'm filming.
Yeah, can you go check this?
And I think this time is just more like focus on yourself. Like, are you good by yourself? Can you entertain yourself? Like, really sit there and in solitude with yourself and see like if you're okay. And you can spend that time alone because that's important too. And if you can't, figure out why and do the work. And it sucks that we can't even look at our leaders right now for guidance because they out here spreading misinformation and feeding into the hysteria and just causing more harm than good. Damn, it's been a minute since I put on lashes. Ooh. Damn, my butt hurts. I've been sitting down for too long. That's how you know I need to get up and like go learn some dances or something. I need to be active. Don't be like me. Don't be using this. Use this. This is empty, so I have no choice. I put a lot. I forgot to do this. Put mascara on. I just don't understand how to do my makeup anymore because I haven't done it in so long. I'm just all backwards with it. Okay, for lips, what am I gonna do? Use some of this brown. This NYX Soft Lip Matte Cream in Abu Dhabi. On top, I will use this butter gloss in Tiramisu. I would add a highlight, but honestly, like that setting spray it was a little too much. It already added some shine to me, so I'm good. But yeah, that is me getting ready to stay right back in the house because I'm not doing nothing. This, in all seriousness, take this virus seriously. Check on your friends, check on your loved ones, pray. Prayer is so powerful. Spread positivity if you're in the house. Let me know what y'all doing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this for more videos if you liked this. If you like this makeup look or what I had to say, like this video. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.